So welcome to one and all present here. Today we are going to see a next new topic called exception handling. Okay. So before going to exception handling, we should know about what is an error. Okay. Error. Error is nothing but mistakes in the program. Error. E-R-R-O. Error is nothing but mistakes that you've done in a program. These mistakes can be classified into three types. One is syntax error. Syntax error. Next one is logical error, and then runtime errors. Okay, the errors are classified into three types: syntax, logical, and runtime. Let us discuss one by one with the help of example code. Okay, I'm opening my IDLE file to new. Okay, first we'll see about syntax errors. So I'm getting an input A from the user, the input of enter a number. First line, this one line of code, enter a number. Okay, I'm trying to save this code. I'm trying to save this code as ex. Okay, ex stands for exception handling. When I press F5, it is showing an error. Why it's showing an error? Because there is no double quote for this string. So it is showing an error. So I have to include double quote. If I include double quote, this error have gone. Okay, yeah, just asking to enter a number. These type of error is called syntax error. That is the first one. Okay, error that you make in a program. Then second type of error is nothing but logical error. Logical error is nothing but you are not getting the desired output. Okay, logical error is nothing but if you are not getting desired output. That is logical error. Example, for adding two numbers, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, the result is 10. Okay, instead of plus, if you give minus, the result is 0. So that is logical error. Let us see an example. Okay, B. Another input is B. Okay, C equal to A minus B. C equal to A minus B. Okay, print C. And again, I'm saving the code. I'm running 5 plus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4, but I'm getting 0, which means that if I not get any desired output, then it will be a runtime error. Third type of error is called, sorry, it will be a logical error. Third type of error is called runtime error. Why this error is occurring? Let us see with an example. The same example, if I give C equal to A divided by B. Okay, I'm running the code. For first number, it is asking for first number. First number, I'm typing 8. Second number, I'm typing 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4.0. Okay, no issues. When I press F5, 8, 9, no issues. Again, when I give 8, 0. Why? I'm getting an error. Why I'm getting this error? Because the first input I'm giving as 8. The second input I'm giving as 0. So the logic behind is you cannot divide a number by 0. The division of number by 0 is not allowed. The division of number by 0 is not possible. So it is showing an error called zero division error. That is divide by division by 0. Which means that the division of any number by 0 is not allowed. It is not possible. So it is called as zero division error. So how this can be handled? This can be handled by introducing exception handling mechanisms. Exception handling mechanisms. This can be handled by introducing exception handling mechanisms, with the help of three keywords. One is try, catch, finally. Here except. Instead of catch, you will see except, finally. So these are the three exception handling mechanisms. Let us see how it works. Okay, what is try block? In try block, the exception code should be placed inside the try block. Exception code. What is exception code? The line which gives error. In except block, what you will do? You need to handle the exception raised in the try block. Handle the exception raised in the try block. Finally block is an optional block. Optional block. Optional block. It can be executed always. Okay. We'll go for an execution. So this line of code, this line is producing error that must be surrounded by try block. Okay, that must be surrounded by try block. Okay, print C, print C. Then this exception, if there is any exception in the try block, it must be handled in the except block. Okay, it is okay, okay, okay. You are giving a print statement that you cannot divide a number by 0. Okay, here now I'm running this code. 8 1 getting the output, 8 2 I'm getting the output, 5 0. So the previously an error is thrown, division by 0. Now that error is handled in the except block. There's a next block called finally block. Finally block. Okay, finally print. Welcome to Akshaya. Welcome to Akshaya. Okay. Enter number. Enter the number 5. Enter the number 5. Enter the number 0. See here. Okay. Another example. Enter the number 8. Enter the number 2. Okay. So see the two outputs. Okay, in first output you have exception, except block is executed, welcome to Akshaya. In second example you don't have exception, except block is not executed, but welcome to Akshaya is repeated, which means that finally block is an optional block which is executed always. It's executed always, even though if there is an exception in try block, either it is handled or not. Even though if there is no exception in the try block, the finally block will be executed always. Okay, then we'll see an example for multiple except block. Okay, multiple except block. Okay, see here, multiple except block. With this example, we'll see multiple except block. So first one is for zero division error. Zero division error. What do you mean by zero division error? This divide by zero error. Then we'll handle another error, value error. Value error. Value error. Print. Print. Provide values only. Provide values only. Okay. So we'll try this. Okay. Multiple except block. First except block will be executed. Okay. Then if you give, sorry, if you give 8 8 B, the second except block is executed. Let us discuss a small thing. Here, except value error. Okay, so value error means you have to provide only integer type of numbers only, because you are asking a number but you're giving a string. So this type of error is executed. Okay, that is value error. Okay, value error. Value error. Value error. Okay, value error. P A 1A. Yeah, value error. Okay, this is value error. This type of error is called value error. See here, value invalid literal. Okay, so this is an example for multiple except block. Yes. Apart from that, you have we have seen. Apart from that, you have try except else finally. another additional block called else. Okay, um, that's it about exception handling. We'll see the remaining topics the next session. Okay, thanks for watching.